Do you have oily skin and wonder why your makeup can never last or why it always breaks apart? Well, I'm gonna tell you why. It's your primer. Beauty gurus and everyone has told us, oh, if you have oily skin, use a matte primer. And so we're just like, okay, matte controls oil, so we're gonna use that. Well, no, don't do that. Because let's look at it. If you're priming your face with a matte primer and powdering it, it's gonna break apart because the oil is just trying to come out of that dry Sahara Desert skin, okay? And we don't want that, especially in summer. So look for a nice, silky, hydrating primer that's not gonna clog your pores or leave your skin feeling dry, like this Euphoria Pre-Game Primer. This primer helps as a primer and a barrier from your makeup, but it also primes your face so that your skin and your makeup can just look better together. What I love about this primer is that it primes my skin, like I already said, but it doesn't make my skin feel tight or irritated like a lot of other matte primers do. This is comfortable, flexible under makeup, and it lasts very long, and you can see it throughout the day that your makeup still looks as good as you did in the morning. And look, no patchiness, no breaking apart, nothing. Look at the face, look at the material, and yes, this is gonna prevent all that from happening.